Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can enable dark theme in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Microsoft PowerPoint sheet and then you will see file option. Just click on it and then you will see more options. So click on it and then click on options, and here you will see office theme. So just click on it and here you can see different options because we want to enable dark themes, so that's why we will click on black and then click on OK. So you can see dark theme is enabled in PowerPoint. So guys, in this way you can enable dark theme in PowerPoint. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.